Hey, do you have a little SuckleBusters chili left over from your last batch? Let me show you how to make a killer tailgate chili dog, Texas style. Hey, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cook some bacon because it's bacon. Really, the only question about bacon is, are you crispy or are you soft? So the first thing we need to do is prep our hot dogs. For the dogs, I use all beef every time. Here's a couple of good choices. Ballpark Franks, can't go wrong there, plump when you cook them. And Nathan's, all beef. Either one of these will work. Okay, now the prep on these is real easy. For this recipe, I'm gonna use the Nathan's. Just open the package up, get your dogs out, take a sharp knife, and just split them down the middle, but don't go all the way through the back. I just like to split them, and then you can pull them open just a little bit like this. It allows them to cook all the way through, and then when you put it on your bun, you can catch more ingredients inside the weenie. The next step is take these to the Blackstone griddle. Now while those all beef dogs are cooking, we're gonna prep the buns. Super simple, just take a tray, take your buns out, split them open, put them on your grill for a few minutes just to toast them up. Toasting, it just helps keep everything together when you assemble. I think those hot dogs are about ready. You can tell when they're ready when they start to spread out and flatten out, and they got a little bit of char on all sides. All right, the buns are toasted, the dogs are ready. It's time to assemble this dog. First thing, put a little cheese on. Cheese is gonna hold it all together, make it stick to the bun. Just put a nice layer down just like that. Next up, bacon. I'm gonna get a crispy piece because I like crispy bacon. Right down the middle. Then you're gonna pick up your hot dog. It's split, it's gonna hold wide open just like that. Perfect. Secret ingredient, Texas heat. You're gonna lay down one thin row right down the middle of that dog. It's gonna give you a little extra bite when you bite into it. Next up is our chili. Not too much, but you wanna cover everything. Cover all the meat with the chili. All right, you got your chili on there. I like to go back with a little extra cheese, okay? Cheese is gonna help the last ingredient stick to the dog as well. Then I finish it off, fresh sliced onions. Onions. Last ingredient, sliced, super thin, super small diced jalapenos. And then for the last little bit, we're gonna put a dash of Texas gunpowder, pure jalapeno powder. Now this is the way to light up a tailgate party. SuckleBusters style Texas dog. Let me give it a shot. Ooh, it's perfect. Perfect burn, medium heat. I got the crunchiness of the bacon, the hot dog, and the creaminess of the cheese. And then to top it all off, the fresh jalapenos and onions. That makes this dog a winner. Next time you throw a tailgate, throw down on a Texas dog. Dude, this thing is next level. And by the way, if you want our chili recipe, just check out the recipe right there.